Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a software instrument track and loading Drum Machine Designer or Drum Kit Designer. This gives you mapped pads and velocity layers. Once done, pick a library preset that matches the sound you want: acoustic for natural drums, electronic for punchy hits, because the instrument choice shapes dynamics and sample layering. Next, route the track to a stereo bus and enable the metronome with a 1-bar count-in so you can record tightly. This prevents timing drift and simplifies later editing. Now refine the sound by swapping individual kit cells and adjusting round-robin or velocity layers. This is why you chose Drum Machine Designer, so you can sculpt each piece. Then work on the MIDI. Quantize conservatively to groove, edit note lengths, and tweak velocities so hits breathe. Small changes impact realism. Once comfortable, convert audio to MIDI or use drum replacement on live takes for tighter control, making sure to save a copy before destructive edits, because you may want the original feel. Finish by mixing the kit. Add focused EQ on kick and snare, gentle compression or transient shaping, and parallel compression on the drum bus to add glue without squashing dynamics. Once done, send toms and overheads to reverb buses and automate fills and velocity to create movement over the arrangement. When bouncing, export stems or full mix depending on workflow. If you hear clipping or phase issues, check gain staging, flip phase on overheads, or replace offending samples. That single fix often restores clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.